Alright, so I am doing this video on the element line. I didn't like what I had started, so I erased. And I'm just going to be drawing on this, so maybe explaining as I go, if I can. Like I said, I'm using Zentangle in my line, because Zentangle's made out of lines. I don't know, I just like Zentangle. So... those are going to be primarily black and a white area in it. Don't want to shade in with my pencil, but I can put a little B there so I know that that's going to be black. This will be a white spot, but it will be mostly black. And I'll have this coming down. White, but mostly black, and this little here will be black because that's part of it. That's all I really want to do with that pattern, but I then can come in and I'll do a little one. Do a little one here. Black. So, once again, we're not shading them with a pencil. I'm going to come in. I'm going to do this and then do 1, 2, come here, do 1, 2, there's the third one, but it goes off the paper, come in, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, this is creating a pattern. I'm going to do this inside all of these little things right here, 1, 2, 3, and you just see the one there, and come here, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do one here and pretend the rest go up this way. Then go 1, 2, 3. 1. That's a little wide. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3. And then I'll do that pattern right here. 1, 2, 3. I'll do one here and pretend the others are going off that way. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And it's just following the same pattern. I'm going one way, then the other. So that area is complete, but I still have all this. Remember, we're filling as much space as possible. So let's see. I might come in with, I'm turning the paper for me, but it's staying upright for you. So I might come in on the side over here and start, and I don't like that, that looks weird. This is why we draw lightly so we can erase stuff easily. So, I'm going to come in, and like I said, I am turning my paper. Now you can see a little bit more, I can't get the angle I want with my camera in the way. I'm going to actually come to this corner, and I'll bring something up that looks like this, and I might do that a few times. And this, all I'm going to do with this, I'm going to tell me so it works for me. I'm going to draw these little triangles on it. They're all on the same side, they're all in the same direction. So they all would have that. And the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to return my paper so it worked for me. Turn the paper so it works for you. So this is almost making a perfect arch though, which is what I was trying to make. So now I'm going to start coming in with these little guys. I'm only going to do a few of those. And a lot of this is going to be black, but what I want to do with this, I'm going to turn it in for me. So then I have these little tops to each of them. Okay, so once I have that, then I'm going to come in. I'm going to kind of repeat this pattern, just make it a little bit more curved. And it doesn't need to be perfect here. I did small areas. I don't like that one. Just coming in and creating. Make sure, glance over, make sure everything is filled to a point. And now what I'm going to do with these, the tops of those, is I'm going to put on these top ones, I'm going to come in and make these bubbles. The spots in between the bubbles are going to be black, and the bubbles are going to be white. Now here, what I'm going to do, something similar, but instead of bubbles, I'm going to do these ovals all the way. I'm going to try this so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Once that's done, then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm actually going to come in and draw like an outline line. And let's see, what else do I want to do? Because I still have all this room to fill over here. Let's see. think and so it takes a little while sometimes, and that's okay. It is okay to take your time as long as you're still on task. So currently, what I'm doing is I'm actually looking at something for inspiration. So I'm just I'm staring at it. I'm not looking at someone else and talking with them. I'm just making sure I'm still on task. This counts as being on task if you're looking for inspiration. I'm going to do that. So I'm going to come in with like a second layer of this outline. I'm going to exaggerate it a little bit more. Okay. And I'm gonna put shape in it that kind of follows that. Okay. And I think I'm gonna come in and notice it's not overly neat. This is a little sketchy because it is the sketch you go on here with. I don't want you to be pushing down super hard. Every time you see me, I'm drawing real light, and I'm tending to be holding my pencil a bit further back or even further instead of up here. Sometimes I'll do this when I'm trying to get something tiny, but try to stick to mid-pencil or further back. I think I'm going to come in with a tire de true, which is kind of going to be like what these dots were. And for some of this area, I think I might just finish it up this way to save me a little time right now. Okay, so then what I would do is I would come in with an ultrafine Sharpie because most of your other Sharpies are really too thick for this. And you're always going to pull towards you. I'm going to start with my red line in this area and I'll actually pull towards me for that. And I'm going to finish pulling towards me and continue. You know, it's like I said, I'm pulling towards me every time. I'm turning the paper to work for me. Okay, so just like with handwriting, so you'll come in. And then, just like before, with that, I'm going to come in and let's slowly start working. Okay, so it's a little wobbly, it's not 100%, and that's alright. We're just trying to make it as nice as we can. We all have different levels of comfortability. I'm not going to color this on with my ultrafine because I might mess it up, and also because I'd rather use a normal tip Sharpie for that.